Hey Jonathan, this is Al Cap. I just got a couple of questions. I'm ready to work on the curved box with the four sides. I've got all the ribs done and I'm now ready to work on that curved box and get it ready for you. It should be able to ship, I should get the curved box done this week and maybe build a crate for it, this weekend and then get it ready to ship for next Monday or Tuesday or whenever's convenient for y'all. Unless you have more things for it, just let me know. But anyway, here's a couple of questions about the curved box. I understand and I kind of get the 2-inch rise and the little gentle curve. I get that. But on the top view right here, we've got 1'2" as the width of the top. But on the other picture of the ribs, I actually put a brace in there that was 1'2" wide. So if these pieces were supposed to slip inside of that 1'2", I'm not sure it's going to be able to do that. Here's the picture of a typical rib. This is rib number 1. This is the first one, and I did build that with a brace on the top of it right there. This is I think 6 inches wide or 6.5 inches wide by 1'2" wide. And if that box was supposed to fit over that, it's not going to unless we make the box a little bit bigger. Or I can cut these down, slide 3/4 of an inch, cut 3/4 of an inch off of this right here so it slips inside there. I can do that pretty easy. It's no big deal. So I have a question about that. And then another question that I have is about this cleat right here. Place cleats on the inside quarter. Is that just like a little triangle cleat that would go kind of up inside the corners, or do you want like a 1x2 cleat in the top of it to kind of nail to? Again, it would be in the way of that brace. So I kind of have a question about that. I don't want that brace to get in the way of that, but we could, since I do have a brace on the tops of those, we could actually attach these boxes to that brace right there. In the smaller ribs that I've built, I didn't actually put a brace on the top of that because I cut those out of one full sheet. So I don't have a brace on those, but I could put one on those if we wanted to brace them up that way. And then just a last question here is, do you actually want me to put this all together and nail it to actually make these into boxes and then ship it that way? I know it won't take up that much room in the crate if I actually build them and do that. Or did you just kind of want me to make all four sides, number each one 1 through 10, and then you guys put it together there and try to save up some space on the crate that I'm going to build? I anticipate if I do make these into boxes and ship them, my crate would be like 3 foot wide by 7 foot long, 7 foot tall, something like that. So we could do that and lay it down and ship it that way. It shouldn't be any problem to do that. Just kind of let me know what you want to do. Thanks.